Hi everyone, I am Uber Andres Núñez. I am going to talk about the section by Green. I really like the genre in this section. I will share with you some points of view about that to take care of our environment. First, change your mind using reusable but reduce a lot of waste at it help our environment. We are used to spend a lot of time away, so we should not forget to turn off the light as soon as we finish our task. That reducing electricity consumption. Second, our golf. One of the most important is recycling materials such as paper and plastic. It will contribute to generate less trash and improve our ecosystem health. Limit our carbon emission will also contribute to the clean air and oxygen for all our ecosystem. The third, be green when you avoid single-use plastic. Be green when you use public transportation instead of driving your own car. That is all. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.